Welcome to a new episode ng URC Flour Presents Masa Serya with Chef I. I am Chef Aileen Asilom, also known as Chef I. At ako ang sandigan ng masa pagdating sa pagmamasa. Samahan niyo po akong alamin at aralin ang amazing wonders of baking with URC Flour. Talaga namang it's the season of giving na because we can see and feel the warmth in many circumstances during this time. From reuniting of families to sharing with other people what we have. Kaya, if you're still thinking of something to share with your family or other people this season, this episode is for you as we will be baking a Christmas wreath brioche. Here are the following ingredients that we need to bake Christmas wreath brioche. In a bowl, combine all ingredients except flour. Mix well to fully dissolve ingredients and to hydrate the yeast. Add the URC Continental All-Purpose Flour and URC Universal Hard Flour to create a dough. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. Cover and ferment for an hour. Fold and then ferment for another hour. Divide the dough into 4 pieces. First piece should be around 290 grams. Divide the other 3 pieces in equal parts. Shape the large dough into a ball. Shape the 3 smaller dough pieces into blunt cylinders. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. Flatten the large dough ball and place it into a baking paper lined in a 7-inch cake tin. Roll out the 3 smaller dough pieces to around 60 centimeters. Braid them together. Lay the braid on top of the flat dough piece. Try to get it as close to the sides of the tin as possible. For the cream cheese filling, in a stand mixer, mix the cream cheese until smooth. Then add sugar and continue mixing. Add the whipping cream. Continue mixing at low speed. Add in the egg. Then lastly, pour the URC Daisy cake flour along with the vanilla extract. Fill up the dough with the cream cheese filling. Cover and ferment for 1.5 hours. During the final hour of fermentation, you can preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Take note, use a thick tray as your base to help bake the bottom of the braided bread. Brush with the egg yolk and milk glaze. Bake for around 50 minutes or until the inner temperature reads above 92 degrees Celsius or 197 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the edge with oil as soon as it comes out of the oven. Set in the tin for 10 minutes before removing. Ania na ang nahuman nga Christmas wreath brioche. Sorpresaha ang imong mga minahal sa kinabuhi karong Pasko pinaagi sa pagluto ni ini. Sunda lang ang mga pamaagi sa pagluto nga atong gihimo sa atong episode karon ug mahimo na nimo ipaambit ang kining Christmas wreath brioche. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ngayong araw. Abangan nyo ang iba pa nating mga baking recipes dito lang yan sa ating URC Flour Presents Masa Serya with Chef I. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na episode. Abangan nyo rin po ang ating para sa masa tips ni Chef I sa URC Flour, FB Reels at YouTube Shorts para sa aking ibabahaging baking tips and information sa inyo. Muli, ako po si Chef I, ang sandigan ng masa. Hangtod sa sunod natong Masa Serya episode!